What's going on, guys, and welcome to Duran Gaming. Today I'm going to be showing you an updated version on how to get PS Now for free for as long as you want. Basically what you're going to be doing is renewing your free trial over and over again, and yes, you keep your saves as long as you follow these simple steps. Now before we get started, a lot of you always ask me how I record on Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. And the answer is simply get yourself an Elgato. So if you're interested in recording gameplay, I highly recommend this capture device, and I'll leave a link to Amazon in the description down below. Now as you guys can see here, I downloaded Bloodborne straight from PlayStation Now, but my free trial expired and it tells me I cannot use this content. Your PlayStation Now license cannot be confirmed. Check your license in PlayStation Store. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is create yourself a new email address, add a new account on PlayStation, and then sign into it. Once you do that, go ahead and look for PlayStation Now, load it up, and look for the option to subscribe. This is where you're going to find the option to get yourself another 7-day free trial, so go ahead and press that and hit subscribe. Right here is where it's going to tell you that after your 7-day free trial, a paid monthly subscription will begin automatically, and $9.99 plus applicable tax will be deducted from your wallet each month until you cancel. If your wallet has insufficient funds, your default payment method will be charged, and to avoid being charged, you must cancel before the trials end. To cancel, go to Settings, Account Management, Account Information, and PlayStation Subscriptions. So it even tells you that you can cancel so you don't get charged, basically making this free. So let's go ahead and confirm the purchase, hit continue shopping. Now before we do anything, let's go ahead and cancel the subscription. So go ahead and go to Settings, Account Management, Account Information, and let that load up, and then we're gonna go ahead and look for PlayStation Subscriptions. It's the only subscription I got, and then it's gonna say turn off auto renew. So hit that, and then it's gonna say, are you ready to turn off auto renew? Hit yes, and it says auto renew is off for PlayStation Now. You can turn it back on anytime before October 10th, 2019. Now this is the tricky part, and I feel like this is where a lot of people mess up and they automatically think that it doesn't work anymore. Reason why is that when you try to start it up, it's going to tell you that you cannot use the content, and to use the content you need to purchase it from PlayStation Store. Do not go to PlayStation Store. Instead, what you need to do is go back to PlayStation Now and then just let it load up. And then what you're going to want to do is search up the game that you're trying to play or you already have downloaded. In this case, we're talking about Bloodborne, so I'm just going to go ahead and look for it in exclusives, just so I don't have to type it in. And there we go. Then you're going to have the option to where it says play download. Go ahead and press that, let that load up, and as you can see, the game is starting up. Now we're still not done yet, because the point of this video is for you to keep playing this game and still keep your saves. So what you need to do is simply switch back to your main account and start the game up after you've done this step. So let me go ahead and close the application, and remember that you must first start the game up on your new account before you're able to play on your main. And there you have it. You now have access to a vast collection of PlayStation Now games for free, as long as you keep repeating these steps, at least until you can afford it. With that being said, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe and notification bell for future videos. This has been a Duran Gaming production, and I'll catch y'all.